Hello people, this is a bit different. This is a 1959 NSU Prima, which is a German scooter. I think it has some sort of links with Lambretta, but I'm not sure. But basically, we sold it to a friend of mine about 3 or 4 years ago, and he has spent lots of money doing it up. He's got new seat covers, believe me, these are dear. I think they're about 400 quid for them too. New instruments, he's done a little bit of paint, a new back rack and everything, and as you can see, she's in really, really nice condition for a vehicle the same age as me. It all runs good, and obviously we'd service it before it goes, but all in all it's just a little bit something different, and it's priced reassuringly cheap really at 3,495. So it's a lot cheaper than an Lambretta and a lot more stylish, and to be fair, when you get a scooter rally, no one's seen one before. So get it bought. We do cars, PX, usual stuff. Give us a ring.